a visual representation of my research. At the top are the Somali ELL students. So you can see the arrows indicate that their achievement reflects both their involvement in school and what's going on with their parents. And on the bottom I have the local Somali nonprofit, which is United Somali Women, which is who the school brokers with to interact with parents. And the yellow highlights represent my areas of interest, which is first what practices are going on. So what's being asked of these parents, how are these requests developed, how do they perceive these requests, and why not are they likely to implement them. The second question I asked was what dialogue is going on. So dialogue is kind of the crux of successfully navigating difference. So what's going on here, and how could this be changed to empower and inspire parents to get involved. So in order to better answer these questions, I've been conducting interviews with my community partner, the ELL teachers at the school, director of United Somali Women, and education experts in Minneapolis, which has the the largest Somali population in the United States, and they have this beautiful ELL department that's really well established. So I was interested in hearing from all sides what their roles were and what they identified as kind of the major obstacles and why. And then I took these concerns and dynamics to Minnesota to learn more about what they were doing and try to bring back new ideas to Park Street Elementary. So my big finding was that the underlying challenge was kind of the notion of parental involvement. In the United States, that's a cultural thing, the idea that parents should be so involved in their children's education and an equal partner with teachers. And in Somalia, the idea was more that school is in school. So this kind of made communicating what they wanted parents to do difficult and kind of foreign. But also because just because it's a cultural thing doesn't mean it's a fixed trait. And this is important because Somalis really value education. This is something that came up a lot in my conversations with Robin and the United Somali Women. And the question is, how do you present opportunities and convey the importance of parental involvement with being involved in school and their children's success. The other thing that was important was the particular economic and social needs of the community. So there's really high levels of illiteracy in addition to the language barrier, and transportation and childcare needs is also really important. So navigating these challenges is complex, and think outside the box about how to get parents in school. Finally, and so my contribution, in the end, it's going to be kind of a collaboratively developed suggestion to plan a different approach to parental involvement next year. And the two core ideas that I've identified and have resonated so far with who I'm working with is to make a tradition of parental presence in the school. So either set up a monthly meeting with a lot of parents and then be able to break down into groups with parent-specific agendas, but at least everyone's there in a forum. Second, to get the super parents involved, so the parents that are already really involved in school and doing a really good job, to get them more involved with the ELL staff, and see if they are able to kind of draw more parents in and take it one step further. So that's what.
I'm Leanne Gibson. I'm a